Hello, welcome back to my channel. So today we are doing patewo and like Dallas kind of. So it's going to be a weaving like a cornrow and a twist at the tape. So that is what we are going to be doing, and we are going to be giving it some styles. So first I part the hair into 2 equal half, and then the second, then I parted the half again into another 2 equal half, and yeah, I'll be making the hair. So if you are new to this channel, welcome to this channel. On this channel we do everything hair and wig, and if that sounds like what you would like, kindly subscribe to this channel and give us a thumbs up. And for our returning subscriber, you're welcome back. Thank you for always tuning in. Thank you for always coming back to this channel. You are super and well appreciated. And to every one of our loved ones that has been watching our videos without subscribing, what are you waiting for? Kindly subscribe to this channel and give us a thumbs up. So today we are doing patewo. I don't know if there is an English name for that, but I know it's as patewo, and that is what we are doing today. And then we'll be twisting the tape instead of regular cornrow. Instead of weaving it, we'll be twisting it. So the next one I'm going to do, I did crisscross, and I actually wanted to do more of the crisscross, but I just thought there's no point, let me just do it once. So I'm just going to show you how I parted it and how I did the crisscross. And this one is cornrow. Like, my daughter hair is all grown. Like, I feel so happy about it. So when you want to do a crisscross, part the bigger part, like a junk part of it, like that will be enough to make 2 hair. You are going to part it, and when you do that, then so I'm just trying to part it here. So after parting it, you part it into 2 equal half, like 2 equal half. So you have 4 altogether. You will have 4. So what I did, I parted the other side and then the other side, and the back I made it straight. So then I weave the one from left to right and the one from right to left. I think that's the best way I can explain it. So just weave left to right, right to left, and you get your crisscross. It's that simple and it's that easy. So enjoy the video, and you will see the final look at the end of this video, and I will see you in my next video. Before I go, today's word is never say never, because you don't know what can happen next. Don't judge people when they make mistake. Don't look down on people when they make mistake. Just, if you don't have any encouraging word, kindly leave them alone and let them sort themselves out, instead of saying, if it was me. If you're in that shoes, you might not even know what to do. You might be more confused than them. So please don't judge and never say never. What you think can never happen to you can happen to you. What you think you can never do, you might be in a tight corner and you will not have choice than to get it done, than to do it. So never say never, and don't judge. Don't judge when you see that something is not going right for someone. Don't judge because you feel if it were to be you, you would have done it better. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I will see you in my next one. Bye.